Hey, how you doing, everybody? This is John, and I am doing a video. This is going to be for the Mainstay 42-inch flush mount ceiling fan. Okay, and so this is just going to be an unboxing. The first video I had was actually the manual. You'll see it on my YouTube channel. So I pretty much basically I opened up the box and I laid out all the parts so that you can exactly see what you can get. So let's go ahead and let's just start out. First of all, when you open up the box, okay, all of this stuff is going to be packed up with these styrofoam like holders, okay? And it's a pretty secure package. All right, so we'll go ahead and we'll start out here with this first part. As I'm pointing it out, this is going to be the motor mount, okay? And you can see from over here, this is where you're going to put the light bulb in. And down here is where you're going to put your brackets in here. So I'll show you really quickly. This is just the unpacking, but I will try to show you later on in my another video what to do. So you're going to take this, the bracket, and you're going to place it right over there. And they give you screws in order to put that in. They give you a total of 8 screws. So you have 4 of them, which is 2, 4, 6, 8. And it's going to be in this small package right over here. So we have that. They also include a light bulb right over here. It's going to be 60 watts. And so it's included with the package. This is the cover that they include. This is the cover that goes encloses for the light bulb. And they give you a total of, I believe it's going to be 3, 6, 9, 12 screws. So you can put the bracket for the fans. For the fans, you have either the white or the black. I prefer the white showing. Okay, and you can use your preference if you want. They also give you these 3 caps, you know, so that when you're closing up the electrical wires, you can use them. You have the ceiling mount bracket, and you have the 2 pull chains. And that's pretty much basically it. You have everything together. I do recommend they also give you the manual. You save the manual, okay? And then they give you a parts list. So you make sure that when you buy the product, you have the receipt, and you also do an inventory. So if you are missing anything before you start installing it, you bring it back to where you bought it from, and you ask for another box. Again, here we have the unboxing for the 42-inch Mainstay flush mount ceiling fan. Hey, thanks a lot for checking out my quick video for the unboxing. Hey, be sure to check out my other videos on my YouTube channel, and have a great day. Bye.